Want the night and shining over in your groovy. Would put your lips on mine and
So fam, you know it's your girl, farmer girl Jessie, again with yet another video. And today's video is going to be about going on the road to collect a new equipment for my farm. As you know, I gather equipment as I go along because I improve on my farm each time I go there. So you know, I'm on my way to Kingston today, all the way from St. Elizabeth, and I'm going to pick up, as I said, a new equipment on my farm. So just tag along on my journey. You know, it's going to be a road tour today. You know, when you're leaving from the country going to town, it's a road tour. So tag along today and enjoy the journey, the rest stops, the attractions, the food. Just enjoy with me today as I go along. So we are at middle quarters, and you know, this place is known for the finest shrimp. Whenever you talk about shrimp, you're talking about middle quarters in St. Elizabeth. So it's early now, so you're not going to see much of the shrimp, but as you can see, people are out already cooking and doing, you know, the street thing. It is so early that much vendors are not out at this time selling their shrimp, but you will see a few as we go along. Now we are entering Holland Bamboo. As everyone knows, this area right here, they normally have the sugar cane, but I guess it's no longer there. I think that they're turning this area in farmland now, so there will be no more sugarcane planted here. So we're entering the Bamboo Avenue, and as you can see, it is known for its beauty because the bamboos will come across the road and shade it, and you know, give it a beautiful view. It is an attraction for both local and international. It's always a good feeling to come through the bamboo, right? It's cool, and you'd have vendors who sell their coconuts and their peanuts to pass by. Very beautiful view. Many would know this area because it is the main road through St. Elizabeth. This road leads to Black River, also through Newmarket to Montego Bay, and it also leads into Santa Cruz. So there you have a food stop. And the bamboo goes down about 4 miles, Alex? 5 miles? The bamboo goes down 5 miles. So it's 5 miles of bamboo. And you would have several vendors on both sides. As I said earlier, it's early now, so you won't see much people out selling at this hour. They have some of the sweetest, the sweetest and most refreshing coconut water, and some of the finest peanuts. You'll have persons even stop by the bamboo here to take pictures. As you can see, these little huts or these little shops is where the vendors would put out their stuff and sell. This is where they would put out their products. So we have about a couple seconds before you finish the bamboo. As you can see, there are vendors out here, peanuts and coconuts. These ones are out early. So this is the end of the Bamboo Avenue. So we are now in Santa Cruz. So Santa Cruz is known for the first town to have a KFC, but now we have since a year and a half we have one in Junction. Here Santa Cruz we also have a market, a juicy beef, we have a juicy beef and also a mother's. It's just a straight road through the town. Everybody busy out and about. And like any other town, you have vendors out, you know, selling their stuff, food, clothes, and etc. So this is we're at the second stoplight. Here in Santa Cruz, there's always a traffic. I don't know why, but the traffic is always tight in Santa Cruz. And here we are now at KFC. The big bucket with the white face. And here we have the St. Elizabeth Technical High. So we are in Spurchy Hill. We're at Spurchy Hill, and I think it's known for the longest hill, right? Or in this region, or maybe in the country as well. The entire road is a hill. It's a very, very long one. And there's all the traffic on Spurchy Hill also. And there are always big trucks on Spurchy Hill, always. And I think it's also the only road from St. Elizabeth to Manchester. People may know the Corn Man down by the entrance of Spurchy Hill. He's always there selling corn. So peeps, we're gonna take our first stop. We're gonna get some food. We're gonna get some probably some roast yam and something, some saltfish or etc. Who knows? Let's see what we buy. So we're at Melrose Hill, Yam Park in Mandeville. We're going to get ackee and saltfish with roast yam and roast potato. How much is that? Yes, I'm gonna pay.
Thank you,
Yes. So we have like a home style fruit juice and fruit punch and pineapple. So fam, if you want your good saltfish and roast yam or your ackee and saltfish, just visit the Yam Park in Mandeville. Right? The food is delicious. Alright. Food is so nice, fam. And guess what? It's hot, like real hot, may I tell you. So peeps, I'm going to order a saltfish and ackee and saltfish with mostly sweet potato with ackee and saltfish. Yes, one piece, mostly sweet potato. I love sweet potato. I plant it as well. Yes, in St. Elizabeth. I am farmer girl Jessie.
Are you still on TV?
Yes. Oh my God. Yes. So peeps, yes, peeps, as you can see, I'm here buying sweet potato from one of my fans, somebody who watched me on the internet. I feel so good at this moment.
Yes.
And this is shop number 3 at Yam Park at Melrose Hill. Yam Park. This is shop number 3, and I'm ordering ackee and saltfish with roast potato and yam. Peeps, the food is good, so you can stop by whenever you're passing. The food is excellent, I tell you. And you're gonna see her finished product. She's now sharing my dish. So this is the food, peeps. This food is everything. Can I have a fork, please, so I can start eating? This is everything, fam. So when you're passing by, just stop at Melrose Hill. Hold it for me so they can see me. Hold it sideways, same way. So peeps, this is at Melrose Hill, and the food is excellent. So whenever you're passing by, you just stop by and have a bite. The food is wonderful. Alex, the food there? She'll give me a card. The food nice with you. So we're in the runabout heading to Kingston. Yeah. We're gonna enter the PJ highway. No. There's something tall too. They're going to normally full of water, you know, sometime on their bridge. I mean, water always run down there.
Take the second exit onto PJ Patterson Highway. can't tell if you go. I can't kill me.
What this so? So we're on the highway. What part me last? Me should have last this though. Sky is so beautiful. You see it, Alex? See sky? Beautiful, beautiful. It looks like a picture painted. I don't know why they black off one. Probably they must say no overtaking. Maybe yeah. Probably after one big accident happened or something. And they said no overtaking. So they put cones on one of the lane. So it's only one lane occupied at the moment. We're just assuming that it is indicating that maybe something happened and they, you know, one lane now. So no overtaking. Or they might fix up something. We don't know. Yes, they're fixing the road. So we assumed wrong. We're oh, they're cleaning the road. We're heading down to our first toll. Can you toll race again, Alex? The normal race it? Up to? So we're at the toll, and you know we have to pay a fee to go through the toll, to and fro. So you pay one set of toll fee going in and one set coming back. Once you're going through the toll, you have to pay your toll fee. So we're at the toll and it's our turn to pay. It's about 200 and something or $300. How much is it? Let me see. So I gave them $1,000 and I got back $820. So it's about $280. Toll fee. The first toll fee is $280. So I'm heading towards the second toll. This one may cost something like $500, somewhere there I think. I'm just assuming. So let's see if my assumptions are wrong. What kind? What kind? Crown. Oh. You know you don't use it when you want to try and pay in a silver and that you still pay.
$10 more.
Look in this one. So this one is $510 for the second tour. The sky is just beautiful. I just love how the sky the sun, everything. I just love it. The best filter right now is going outdoor. So we are leaving the second toll, and this is therapy for persons who are coming from the country. You know, we don't have this kind of road, eh, Alex? We don't we don't have this kind of road every day. So this right here, you know, we're enjoying it. Even though we have to pay to drive on it, but we're enjoying it right now. If it was country, you know, so we have to skip out that 2 bad patrol around here. So Lord, it's nice. And peeps, you know, whenever a person coming from the country, 90% they tend to last. Yeah, Alex? When going to town, 90% they tend to get lost on their journey, right? But today we know we're not going to last. Even though we don't know where we're going, we're working off a GPS, but we know for sure that, you know, we are going to the right place and not getting ourselves lost today. So we're driving alright, we're not driving too fast, we're good, and you know, we're enjoying the journey. So I hope you're enjoying along with us. So we are at Half a Tree Farm, we're at downtown. So you know, we're in Kingston, but not at my destination as yet, so it's a journey. So I will journey you along the way as I go along, as I'm back here paying attention to my GPS. Is the brother broke his stoplight? It's working though. So we're almost there. We're almost at our destination. And you know, I think it's somewhere down here.
Your destination is on the left.
It's right here. Yes, we're there, and kudos to GPS. Yes, right here.
You sure?
Somewhere down here.
Where place?
Logistics Limited.
Where do?
I think you call it shipments there, ship things.
Like a one way.
So fam, I'm at my destination, but I'm waiting outside. I'm at a shipping company waiting to pick up my equipment. I did not say, but this equipment is from one of my fans, and they also asked me to deliver some stuff to a nursing home, which I'm going to do that just now because the person is here to collect it. So I'm going to show you what I brought all the way from St. Elizabeth to Kingston to drop off at the homes. But as I said, I'm going to have someone pick it up from where I'm at now to bring to the nursing home. So just stay tuned as I go throughout the process of this video. So fam, as you can see, he's here to pick them up and he's going to bring them to the nursing home. Mine are birds ahead up there. Yes.
Wonderful.
I'm just snapping a little video, you know?
Yeah, that's alright, man.
Yes. Okay. Yes. As you see, fam, we have pumpkin, we have Irish potato, we have cabbage, carrot, we have sweet potato, and we also have sweet pepper, we have cucumber, and we have chocho, and as you can see, we have some green bananas.
This is amazing.
Yes. Those are sweet potatoes in the bag.
Potato?
Yes.
Wow.
Mhm.
Wow, amazing. This is amazing.
Yes.
Absolutely amazing.
Yes, all right. Thanks a lot. Thanks for meeting you. Oh, it's
My pleasure, yeah?
yes, all right. Thank you. Have a good one. All right.
you. Take
Yes.
care, man.
Yes. So fam, I picked up my box with my equipment. So it was a busy day. It was a long wait and it was hectic because you know it's a shipping company. A lot of persons coming to pick up, and you know it was moving a bit slow.
Take the next left
But
onto Spanish Town Road.
I got through, so I'm gonna open my box when it's convenient and show you what's inside. So you know, just tag along and remember to go over to Farmer Girl Jessie and hit that subscribe button. You can like and share, and remember there's a notification bell. Please tap on it so you can see my next content. You can be the first to see my next content. You know, stay tuned. So fam, we're at Clarendon Park at Juicy Beef, and I'm now going to open my box and let you see what's inside of it. Whoa! Oh my god, I am super excited. Oh, this is a surprise. Oh my god, this is a surprise, fam. These are also farm hats and also a farm glass, farm gloves, and a lot of goodies for my boys. I am super excited because I was expecting just equipment, and as you can see, I'm here taking a lot of stuff out. I also got a raincoat. Wow. And fam, here goes my, this is, let me see. Wow. And this looks like a mask. This is a spraying mask. And from here is my equipment. Here is, wow, have to turn the box to get it out. This is the saw. This is the chain for the equipment. It's a power saw piece. Hold on my bottom part. Wow fam, this is what I was expecting. This is the equipment. This is a power saw. I cannot open it now because I don't have a knife to cut this open, but as you can see, it is a power saw, and this is from one of my fans. This farm, I was expecting just power saw, and here I have lots of unexpected goodies, and I just want to say thanks a lot. I appreciate this so much. Wow fam, I am so excited because I didn't expect all this. I am so excited. Wow. So fam, I hope you enjoyed my trip and my journey from St. Elizabeth all the way to Kingston. And please go over to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, and share, and await my next content. Thank you. So fam, you know me not stop a patty place and don't buy a patty. As I said, I stopped at Juicy Beef and I would not stop and not buy a patty. So you know, as I said, thanks and joining with me all the way from St. Elizabeth to Kingston. So you know, head over there to my YouTube channel at Farmer Girl Jessie, hit that like button, subscribe and share. You know, comment and let me know what you think, right? It's a juicy patty. So until next time, it's your girl, Farmer Girl Jessie. I'm out.